In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to book cheap flights to the United States. So to achieve this, we're going to be using Expedia.com. There are many sites out there that you can use. They pretty much do the same thing, right? You can also download the mobile app. The link is in the description of this video. Once you're on the website, select flights. Select the country where you're leaving from. You're going to enter the airport code, so let's say Jamaica. And then specify the code in the United States that you're going to. So let's search for MIA, or Miami International Airport. Here you're going to pick the dates that you want to travel. So I'm just going to keep the default dates. You can select whatever. And here you can select the number of travelers. Once you're done, select search. And here are the cheapest flights for that date. Now to your left, you can select the type of stops that you want. So you can select non-stop or one-stop, right? And these are the different airlines that are available. So once you identify your flight, you simply select it. Choose how you want to travel. I'm going to go with basic economy. Select your return flight. So this return flight is no additional cost. Then select how you want to travel again. So I'm going to select economy. No thanks. When you scroll down, you have the option to select your seats, right? And these are what comes with your flight. So this will vary from airline to airline. So select checkout once you're satisfied. So here are the different types of seats that you can choose on the flight, right? So we're going to be skipping that. So I'm just going to select skip to checkout. And here you provide a list of travelers. If it's yourself, it's just going to be your information that you need to provide. Then you provide your payment information, and then you simply select proceed and review to pay for your flight. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.